Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nadia and I hope you guys are doing great. Today's comedy, like, it's going to be a bomb for you. Honestly, it's going to be a bomb for you. Expect bomb, hilarious scene back to back. Right now, guys, as for those of you that really did not attend Davido's wedding, I have something for you, specially prepared for you guys. And I think I'll be adding it on the first of this comedy compilation for you. All right, guys, do you know what is that? Do you want to see it? All right, guys, let's quickly dive into it. Let's go, guys.
ẹ ti sọ gbèsè yín fúnra yín.
owó alága dúró mà ní débi.
àní ẹ sọ gbèsè yín fúnra yín.
bébì
Fíbílẹ̀.
mi ò ní pé kò sàn.
wait first chioma ṣé o bí o fẹ́ sàn ni.
jẹ́kàn rí bó ń ṣeré ni wọ́n understand you fún ẹ. ó sọ pé ó yàtọ̀.
ó ń dùn ó yàtọ̀.
it's too funny.
ọmọ kò sí táìjà ìdó.
dáàsì wà wó pàǹpà yìí.
èmi gan ti ń bezu ẹ.
chicago mi ti ra
I know now.
dáàsì mẹ́nu ẹ̀.
ǹgbà
Yeah.
ó sì já mi sí
ẹ ǹlẹ́
dáàsì.
madam ṣé o mọ̀ orin.
bébì kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ́pẹ́ sùn tó náà ń gbé bọ̀dà.
ẹ jẹ́ ń blẹ̀ jẹ́.
ọmọ kọ́ mọ̀ ń bọ̀ ìdè mi kì í kà sí
very
bẹ́ẹ̀.
bad boy.
number one in the city ìwọ owó ń kò ẹ wí pé mi mo fi máa ń tún yẹn lẹ́yìn lọ́wọ́
dábì sí.
ẹ ti já sí.
ẹ tí ẹ mọ gbọ́ mi
If they don't catch the person that did this thing, they don't catch that person.
kò sí nǹkan tí mi ò lè ṣe.
sure, sir.
máa ṣe.
chioma da.
I'm here, baby.
oh baby come for come and see something cool. orí bó gba yìí gan fún girl street.
baby I love you.
jókòó sínú ẹ baby máa wó gele o how far healthy pass me the flower.
na him be this obi o.
Thanks, man.
I photograph for you baba.
is that also mine?
Yes, ma'am.
oh.
There is one thing you guys gotta know.
yankee gun.
Me and Chioma John in a lifetime. Make she come start to they go far away.
obi o thank
ẹ máa sọ àwọn dọ́là yẹn síbi throw it there throw it
you.
there.
obi o no dey joke with $100 about the money.
Láti stay focused stay focused.
Alright, baba.
Abeg you sef try dey look out for those 100.
obi o look over there.
Ẹ máa kọ́ fún mi.
obi o just dey collect $100.
Oh my, that's my dollar. $100
No, kò bá mi gba ṣaka ọwọ́ ọdún ẹ mọ̀.
ngbà bóbi o pass ṣaka.
Ẹ jọ dáwọ́ dúró náà my hand on fún mi
Ben.
empty this one first.
They do
la,
this
la.
and that.
Bado I love you.
I love you too my brother.
Bado gbé mi débẹ̀.
ó yá ní ìṣó mbẹ.
Mo jẹ́rìí ẹ̀.
today na today.
Èmi náà ní
ẹni
jẹ́.
abẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ó bó fọwọ́ lálẹ́.
Ipa.
ẹ kíra fọmọ president olórí ọ̀dọ́.
Obi o ìwọ ló lò ní. Ọmọ ṣé gbogbo yín mọ̀ pé mi ló yẹ kí n sign fire boy.
but e dey good hands. obi o bíjì mọ̀ ti fẹ́ gbowó jáde.
Ẹjọ́ gbé jáde yín kọ́nu ṣaka ní.
wọ́n ti gé ti bíjì lọ kò tiẹ̀ dùn kó bí o gbé ṣaka
Ẹ
dé.
bá ń gbé ṣaka. Àní ṣaka tó lè gbẹ ṣata bá ń dùn mo gbé wa.
Mo jẹ́rìí ẹ̀.
Ṣaka gbàlódé alpha bígì bígì.
yo obi o wò sá.
Bàǹkà àwọn dọ́là yẹn mọ̀nà dànù mọ́.
alright man.
Popsi.
mo busy o.
Joey Zaza don show. Joey Zaza ẹ máa gbé lọ́nu kùnrin náà straight.
inú
I can feel the heat of that money.
get why.
Joey Zaza God
Make
bless
them
you.
my brother.
By
Too
Joey
much.
hug me. I feel the weight of that money.
This guy, if they don't catch this guy, it will be in hot soup. Look at the way he manipulated the video, like, oh my god. But at the end of the day, we all laugh at it. Yeah. It's interesting.
At the location I come now.
London my friends.
Hello, Oga.
Hello, who be this?
Na me be the person wey come buy that Chivido party invite for your hand for Ikorodu market.
Oh, I don't remember.
I did the location like this, but I no dey see anybody for outside. Wetin dey happen?
She be this at the compound wey one greenhouse dey.
I dey in front of. I did the compound now.
Na Chifido house be that. Na him dey do wedding for him pikin.
Who place? Oga, I know this. I say I no dey see anybody for compound. Talkless of say I dey see Davido and Chioma.
Bros, the person wey get house, his name na Chifido Chukwu, aka Chifido for sure. Na him pikin Silvanus dey wed Felicia.
Sabinus and Felicia.
Yes, so my good customer.
Oga, they talk Chivido. They be the Chioma and Davido. Where they tell me say Chivido. Wetin concern me with Ido wey be chief?
Na the same Chifido we dey talk
I
now.
can't travel, come out from Lagos, come in here with
and
Chief
he came here
Ido,
for Chief
Ido house
Ido.
compound.
Oga, just attend that one now.
And Oga, no, now, no be now, he go return my money, Oga. Jesus!
Hi, what a bad day.
And I promise Davido say I go come.
Shopofo must always.
So guys, Mozkoh just launched a virtual
You must tell the world who is he.
where you can
Like,
bet on horse racing,
how
casino
can you
games,
mistake that for
any type
Chivido?
of virtual games with as low as 100 naira, you win up to 5,000
Guys, wait,
naira.
you have not seen
What are you
anything,
waiting
no.
for? Click the
In
link
this
on my bio,
comedy.
register on
You
Mozkoh
will
and
laugh.
let's start
You
with
will
it.
roll on the ground. Just started.
I won't go this Davido wedding. I don't want go late. Where you dey now? I don't dey wait for you since. Come, any amount I go give you. Just come. No waste my time. I don't want to go late to this wedding. Just 3 minutes. Hey!
Your day is over, like, what?
Working boys explaining to police where they got dollars from.
No go lie for you, I go talk true. You see this dollar within my hand. You see this dollar within my hand. Na for Chivito wedding I pick up.
I
Baba,
for
Chef
put down.
wedding I pick up. Boy, you know that I pick up. He dey with me now.
It is true.
Let me buy 4 packets of cigar. I want use and burn this guy penis. He just died today.
Why are you running?
Boss, I go talk. Boss, I go talk. I know they do Yahoo. Boss, I know they do Yahoo. I follow you talk. You don't want answer, Abi. You don't die today. I know they do Yahoo. Agony. Where una dey na? Since morning una go raid. How many hours now they take raid na? Una dey come. Vengeance dey with you. Give her phone. At this station, come back up station, I dey there. That boy when they dry that white Benz, he dey with me now. They come. Let me buy 4 packets of cigar. I want use and burn this guy penis. You don't say you hold up finish. They come. Man, go tiger. I don't die today. I don't die. I mean they follow you talk. They ask you questions.
Don't shoot him, oh.
Boss. What did they in your pocket? Boss. Now I'm true. I mean they call wireless phones. But I know they do Yahoo. Now my street name, boss. Boss. I don't die today. You don't say I don't define you.
He's not a Yahoo boy now.
You don't die for man. Come on, what's in your pocket? Now check you they try. I mean, why are you they do? I know they do Yahoo. Boss, I know they do Yahoo. How many clients they pay you now? Boss, I know go lie for you on your squad. When they see me for that bus stop. Now piece and one piece. Boss. Now piece and one piece. Come on, everything in your pocket. Now only wristlet in my pocket. Boss, now only cigar in my pocket. I don't be like for you. I don't die today. I don't die. Boss,
$50.
Boss, no be clients. I don't go commit crime. Mama don't swear for me. I don't go commit crime, boss. These funds. Boss, no be client, send me this money. I never collect funds since 2016. You never collect money since 2016? Okay. I be like, boss, I no go lie for you, I go talk through. You see this dollar within my hand? Now for Chivito wedding, I pick up. Baba, now for Chef wedding, I pick up. Boy, they don't know that I pick up. Boss, they don't know that I pick up. I never collect funds since 2016. And you get this kind of dollar for pocket. Where you see dollar? Client never. Where Tiger dey? Make Tiger me shoot this guy for leg. What did they worry this my gun, huh? What did they worry this my gun, huh? Where Tiger dey? Make me shoot it. Let me shoot her for leg. Your man say you do this work.
The guys, they don't want to believe him at all. And he's not a Yahoo boy. He actually went to Chivido's marriage and PT. But because, let's see, Martin is on this one, and you will laugh.
She na the video wedding. What's up? Because I know gang guys. You don't know my face. You don't know this. You don't know. I'll get out again. Come out.
Where is?
Sorry, my brother. Now here the video. Now my sister Choma they do wedding. I know. Okay. Help me check. My name did the list. My name not did the list. Whoa.
Whoa.
My brother, I beg I fix it 200. I just come from Iwundu. You don't get?
No.
About 150. I beg make I enter the wedding. I beg get one.
Papa, come on for road. You don't be saying my name not get the list. You don't know where I be. Since morning, Baba and me and David the chief of Kuala Lumpur. Me, David and Chef Chief. Gonna tell me say me I don't come my wedding cake. I'm joking. See my Ghana, you want me Papa and me care wedding now. We go spray all the money. You don't know as it be. Papa don't want you. Come on for road make a pan. Come on for road make a. Don't come on for you. I'll go call a scorpion. Call you go see yourself.
He actually went as far as to make his stomach look big, like
They never show you anything.
his belly look big.
Yes.
Today is Saturday. Please leave me. I'm at Davido 2024. Your first case is
don't
not
know
what
who
you
is this?
deserve. Bo, please don't. Bo, please, I'll call you later, beg. Okay, bye bye. My brother. Sorry. This is Davido and Shoma's wedding, yes? That's okay. Okay. So I don't know if they told you. My name is supposed to be on the list. I'm the official lawyer that wed them in court. It's not on the list, okay? Okay. So you know what you do? You go inside. You call Davido and Choma. You tell them that their lawyer is outside the gate because I even have their file here. I can show you if you want. This is.
Come on for you, okay?
My brother, you don't insult me. I am a lawyer, first degree of the law. You are just a bodyguard and you don't have anything to offer. You're just staying at the gate, gateman, and you say you're a bodyguard because you are wedding, you are guarding gate. Chama!
Those of you that love comedy, let us know whose character these guys actually, acted on this comedy. Like, who he was trying to imitate, who he was trying to act like. Let's go. Let me see the comments. I know a lot of people will have to get it.
Drink up. Feel free, no fear. Drink anything you want, no soda.
When we open this one?
Wait, you're not finished all this. What drinks there? No fear.
How I following you?
Drink. You want anything again?
Need a green fish.
I'll tell you.
Yeah, bring fish.
Just drink. Feel free.
Get an enjoyment. 5 and 6. I swear.
I don't understand. You won't give me high blood pressure. Now you go pay. You just the waka up and down. I don't understand.
Yes. Waiter, bring the fish. Drink now, drink. Here.
He actually don't want to get story that thought. Me, I must follow you.
No go touch God.
Oh, you want me not to follow you so that you will run. You will run. At the end of the day, I will be the one watching you. Most guys are like this actually.
Who be the teller for here?
My name is Peller in Kekere, aka Tiokere. What you saw? You shall be both here. What can I sew for you? I also Chibido clothes. Chibido? No foul.
So, can I have it today?
Today? You don't wine? I like carry your thing they go. You know do rush job.
If I can get it today, I'll offer you 5 million naira. In fact, call your account number. Oh, they don't even mention me.
I'm coming, please. I'm coming.
You play.
Kekere, pay my clothes.
Otilo. That's in there. He actually went for it.
Yeah, I'm now.
Oh my God. Can someone tell SK to stop eating like someone who went to steal the food? What is dragging the food with him? Look at his eyes. Then look at his eyes. With his head.
SK. OG before IG. After IG.
Because you want plenty. It's more for that.
Oh my God. Laugh won't kill me. SK Matai.
That now, guy. We can't. What about this guy setting now? This does not make any sense now. What the fuck now, guy? It makes sense to you. So what the fuck now? What the fuck you? Guys, start that one.
SK, calm down.
SK, calm down. SK, farabalẹ̀. SK, calm down. SK, calm down.
SK want to cry. So let him cry.
SK, easy.
Take my hand to enjoy this one day for the house.
SK, easy. SK, easy. SK, easy.
When you cut, you don't cut small one. When you cut, you don't cut small one.
SK, easy.
Everybody was cutting small. You went to cut big. And you know when he's angry, no one can calm him down.
SK, easy.
Give me the shawarma. Give me the shawarma. Make it give me the shawarma. Give me the shawarma. As now another shawarma, so give me the shawarma. The curious. No, you avoid me. This boy go avoid me. When he come to age, me and this boy not be late. When he come to age, me and this boy not be late. I see this boy about 6 years. I'm going to 40 years.
See, end. And when he gets angry, that nobody can calm him down until his spirit tells him to calm down. That's when he will calm down. Oh, I love SK.
Touchdown, boys game. Now because of that time when I was small, you they help me. If not, you too old for this HKO. You too old to run. But we'll help you.
Thank you, my son.
Your phone they ring. Who they call you?
Nah, my wife, my son.
Tell truth. You don't marry?
Yes, I do. 3 children.
You never make any rush go marry. You born. You get married though. Pick her now. Wait till they phone you. If the days can no be big. Pick your call.
Mama Priceless.
Shebi you say if you don't reach Lagos, you go collect ATM, send us money.
They don't stop to use ATM for Lagos. Now inside traffic I did for 8 hours like this, Mama. Hey, baby. They won't jam my motor, Mama Priceless. I better make I call you back.
Jesus. Jesus. Guys, you good. Now people like you we need for this HK.
Exactly.
Liars. We don't need trustworthy people. Come bomb. Sit down the bomb.
I never sabi am.
Can I enter that room, teacher?
My back.
5 million. Old man collector, enter my house. This is the HK. Now perfume you just spray waka. See your mate. Daddy, well done. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, my son.
Congratulations. But daddy, why you go carry Ghana must go now? Where you dey go?
My son, you go village now.
But daddy, you know say you get grace. We no go feel let you go like that now. When our grace don't finish, you go lock down, make you no escape.
Okay, yes, boss.
You collect a bank.
Jesus!
Who got you? You slap senior boy.
Mommy,
Small. This man go give me slap for my house. Oh. Your phone dey ring. Your wife they call you, pick up.
Yeah, the man is lie, sha. The man are lying.
Hello?
You no go believe say we still inside that traffic. Our driver don't forget how to drive. Oh. So we dey teach him. Come on, level break. I'm break. Macha.
Jesus! You know they come up for this age.
What kind of Yahoo or guy is this? How did they even get an old man to be learning Yahoo? What does the man need? An old man to die is not responsible. I beg.
Hey man, why you won't send this one?
Bro, I'm broke. Seriously, and I need some cash to settle some things, man.
You can have this, bro. And also, you can keep this.
Bro, you can have the ring, man. I came to sell it.
No. You can keep it. That's a symbol of your love for your wife, right?
Sure.
So keep it. Okay?
Wow, bro, I'm grateful, man. Thanks very much. Thanks.
Yes, my bro.
Thanks.
I got you.
I'm grateful.
All right.
Yeah. It will be something else.
Why you want to sell this ring?
And my wedding ring now be this one. And they pay me when say I won't sell her. I broke. And I get urgent need I won't use and solve. And why I won't sell her?
How much you want to sell her?
I buy this ring 180,000 naira when I want wed. And at 28 karat gold.
You see this ring? People need to buy second hand. They prefer to buy brand new. Especially as it be wedding ring. So I will pay 1-2.
You said you fear God now. What did I buy 180,000? You say 1-2. Fear God.
I don't go lie you. Nobody go buy this ring for your hand. Nobody go buy them. So you go sell a bit, you not go sell. Okay, talk boss, I want to come out. I don't get time. Take.
Don't be in trouble in Nigeria. Nigerian buyers are not encouraging. You will take brand new phone to sell in Benin.
I said that my wedding ring be
they
that.
They will condemn it for you and they will buy it at a very cheap rate. Go and watch them selling it.
Now, what to me are you agree? No. So
I don't look this ring well. I still say I'm going to lose for this market. So you go manage 1K like that. Nice doing business with you. I bet no vessel. Now the money where I get, now I carry give you. If you give me 200 naira for inside that 1K, my enter bike, go back to store.
Huh?
Just a play.
Very wicked man.
Very wicked man. That is Nigeria for you. If you want to sell your phone, even if it is new one from carton, they will still price it less. But when they buy it, they want to sell, they will have red eye.
Just go inside and break up with this girl. You're wasting our time. Go inside that place, break up with her. Let's go. This girl don't too stress you. Bro, but you know. Just shut up and go break up with this girl, bro.
1, 2, 3.
How far go inside, go tell me about Muzabe.
Bro, I've told you how to make this money now. Just click the link on my bio. Go to the website where you can play their virtual game. And you can also play their virtual games like car race, dog race, and the horse race. Bro, with just 100 naira, you can win up to 1.5 million.
Baby, where have you been?
We need to talk.
Baby, come and see. I made your favorite.
Stop! Come sit, let's talk again.
Baby, come and talk to me. What's wrong?
Women. Let's have it.
Maybe the respect you go chop food though.
How will you do? Who break up? The wine.
So who said you should break up with me?
It's my friend, so can you imagine? I told him I cannot break up my baby, break up the love of my life.
Secret don't full ground.
It's the ex.
The ex. I know him. Who else?
I'm 32.
I know him too.
Because of food.
You mean
because of
food?
Alright,
my love, bye.
I miss you already.
Me? Break up?
No. Bye.
Show walking. You see woman? Hey, woman was past that girl, make policeman carry so.
You guys love to cho. And at the end of the day, you guys are the enemies in this case. The people maybe say, now Thursday one break up, no break up. I beg. Now I don't carry matter for head now. I don't become enemy. Let's do Talkless on this.
I go throw your head.
Let's go.
Aniko. Talkless, come see these people. Which have Shebi, you know that my brother where they always send me gift cards from US. What did you do?
Okay.
He just sent me another one yesterday. As soon as they process, so now this for me. They search my phone. They tell me say I be your boy.
Shut up, you be your boy.
Officer, no, you know be your boy. You. I know a brother where they send from US. That brother, Ajay.
You know. I know Wala. Since you know be your boy, you go follow us go station. May go write statement.
Run,
you no pass like that.
Officer, I beg. You say please this small thing I made you go. Now why you be like that? I don't get cash now. Okay, you know it's that gift card. Trade down with Bitgram. They go give you money now. Ajay, maybe if you give them, make the go. You better station a while out. Ajay, I'm on the trace or two where they arrest me for. They don't even seize my phone.
God have mercy upon us.
You need to go happen. I go follow this station. See now, Bros Jamie send the card. Now because of my blood. You know this police station go call Bros Jamie. Not be your boy and my brother. They send on the card now.
Okay.
You gotta trust man.
Not be Bros Jamie.
Who plays?
Now Leo. This will be Leo again. Now my brother, but now white. Officer, I be more than no vex. I don't know say my brother from another more than 92. I don't know that one. Now the brother I know. I be my come down there.
Okay.
Officer, we move. Officer, we move.
Many things they happen. Only Jesus Christ will save us.
I don't die, my friends.
Automatically, you are one of the suspected criminals.
Baba, no be so now. You want suffocate
This one is
me?
always
No be
misusing
so
things.
now.
Bro, calm down now. Chill now.
I
Is
should
this
chill
how you
with
are
this kind of
dirty?
order. Baba, you no get conscience. What? Who dey chill with this kind of order? When was the last time you brush your teeth?
Alobam, calm down.
Do you humans even understand the importance of teeth hygiene?
Bro, I dey brush now. My teeth they always dey clean.
You say wetin?
I have a clean teeth.
After eating suya last night with 700 naira onions, and you slept with the meat particle in your teeth without brushing. What?
Shut up. My doctor said I should stop using toothpaste with fluoride. That's why.
Don't even try to touch me. No wonder you have not used me for the past 2 months.
So what is this one?
That's true. According to research, so much intake of fluoride is not good for the teeth and the body.
Thank you, Alobam.
But But that's not an excuse to your smelling mouth. You can tell your fans to recommend a good herbal toothpaste with natural ingredients. There are also good foods for healthy teeth and gums. Food like veggies, carrots, strawberries, and also food that are rich in cheese sauce. Hey!
Which one is my breath? Things like otulation.
Bro, you are killing me slowly.
Don't insult me. Which can talk with that one now?
Just put your tongue around your teeth. What can you feel?
Yeah, they feel crystal. Crystal,
I'm doing mine.
Also crystal. You know see crystal bell for there. What say no
Voila.
crystal white layers for your teeth?
Which one be layers?
Bro, when you are brushing your teeth, also learn how to brush your tongue. It helps. I wonder how person tongue go white like water nyan.
Toothbrush, don't be correct.
Which one be tongue white past water nyan? Which can talk with that one?
You were seven trying to brush.
Just stop hearing, please. What? I'm gone.
Wanda, can you please stop? Please save the last flower.
That is the odor, no be here.
Now that's a killer breath right here.
Which one is killer breath?
Oh God! Can you stop spraying insecticide?
What? Which one be insecticide?
Jesus!
Father Lord.
It is finished. The most underused medical tools: fasting, sunlight, sleep, nature, rich food, exercise, eat cold, salt, magnesium, grounding, meditation, and laughter. That
you smell so good. Like I've always wanted to meet you. I love you so much. I'm in love with you. I want to hold you. I want to touch you. I just all my money I will give to you. Everything you want. Oh yes. And you know I did with your Paripos. Do you know them?
Love one your kids.
Sport betting platform, right?
No. They're not just sport betting platform. They have casino games where you can make cool cash from. Yeah, they have games like Aviator, Crash. You can make a lot of money once you use the promo code SEACF on the app here, the website itself. You get 700,000 naira and 150 free spins. Every morning I make from Paripos, I'm ready to give to you.
Okay,
that's how much I love.
But you have to calm down, right? You barely even know me. We're just meeting for the first time.
I don't care. I love you.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta. Esta noche al amanecer hemos llamado al antiguo poder.
Get out there, speed off his memory.
Say you see your daddy. Can you see your father? No, I'm not. It's not his down. It's not fight. I just want to report him to you because whenever I do anything, he will come and report me to you. Your dad is not a good person. What did he do? I know you will support him. I know you will support him. I've not even said anything, mommy. I only asked what he did. He used my credit, finish. And I said, you should please let me use credit from his own distance to call the plumber. He said no. Then on, he introduced me to Okta. Now they have a new trading app feature. He did not tell me about it. He keep quiet and he know how much I'm interested in that. The two of you are on Okta. What are you saying? Yes, of course. They have added a new trading app feature called Okta Ecosystem with a focus on space and its synergy. You know there are days that are more favorable than others. If you see a green tile now, it means the price have gone up. If it's a red tile like this, the price have come down. So you have to be using your head. It's your daddy that teach me this thing, but all of a sudden, you're shocking me. I'm now going alone. He's not teaching me again. Your brother is also doing Okta. Why did he not introduce you to it? I know about it, mommy. You don't know. What are you saying you know? You don't know it. I've already downloaded the app again now. I've upgraded it. And I even have promo code Tauma. It's you I say they should use. So they have given me, if you think you want to use it now, come and use my promo code because you will get more. Me and you. Mommy, I didn't know you know about all these things. Like you like it or you even talk about it. You that are very superstitious. Any small thing now. What do you mean? Me that I went to school more than you. I'm a discipliner and I understand all these things. You get? We superstitions. Talon Jave. Come and collect my promo code. Kim Sareba. Even me, I will not tell you that you must no family. Let me go and get my phone. I will not say anything to you. Can't get my chef for an hour. Ow! What happened? Ma? You just hit your leg, Mom, it's just small. I just hit my leg on the table. Left or right? My left leg. Left! We have a lot of work to do. Yeah, she did, ma. You have to put more power on your octa. Oh, I saw my daughter. You want to target my daughter? You actually ma. Kò sí wàhálà. Bablo keta o.
Are they going to engage in very serious prayer just because she hit her leg against something?
Reservations and the drinks, let them ready. Madam, why you told me you don't like the wedding dress that I picked before? I got a perfect match for you. Oh my God, babe, this is beautiful.
It's $5,000 that they see there.
So how much is it? Okay, $5,000. Okay. Sir, it's not 5,000 naira, it's $5,000.
You?
Where are you going?
Where are you going, my guy?
For one dress? How much for the whole wedding?
Baby, to what it now that
What do you mean?
saying? You know my brothers already paid for everything. This is the only thing you're going to do for me. You've been complaining that you didn't do everything, that you are the man, you are the man, you are the man. Now look at this.
Even if I want to even pay, but my card, they can't even pay in dollars now. I can't even pay in dollars. No problem about that, sir. You can actually pay with Seki app virtual card, regardless of how much items you are purchasing, because it has a limit of $10,000.
You cannot run from this without all alternatives. You must pay that $5K. You must pay it.
Okay, meaning
there
you
is
have
no
the app
way.
here, Abi? Yeah, I do. I use it always. So what will happen is, help me to purchase the gown. When I get home, I'll transfer the money to you. Oh, sir, stop it. Right now, I'm not financially buoyant. Okay, you're not financially buoyant. And you want my buoyant. Can you imagine? So you don't get that, you take yourself later. Come on, calm down. Don't worry, what I get, I will use. I don't understand.
That's how you finally did your wedding. This is the wedding photo. You are very bad. This boy is stingy. God. What sort of stinginess is that?
Fred.
Hey, my bro.
My guy. Ade, what's up now? I hope you enjoy yourself.
Yeah, of course. I know.
You know I'll be traveling soon.
Oh, yeah. You told me.
So let me hear what you have to say.
Yeah, bro. Actually, since you'll be traveling soon and you'll be staying for like a week or two, why don't I just be in your place now? Make I just chill here now, at least until you're back.
My place? Fred. I know why you know my guy. No, I really appreciate.
I will bring my babe.
Your babe? For my house?
Please, let me have someone to play around with and,
No, I'm not spoiling anything from you. Small with my bed, yo.
My bro. Give you small opportunity. Let me chances. Now, wow.
Yeah, wait, I'm coming. I'm afraid. I have to.
You know my girlfriend?
Your girlfriend? This is my sister that I've been training in school. I've been spending all my money on.
But the girl came here, she didn't know that this is her brother's
your
house.
sister now.
Oh, that's true. Come, let me tell you the secret of my sister. Come. God, you know, she's a very good girl. Come. Hey, you get my azul. You want to get my sister azul for bed? Go inside.
Daylight, why not you go marry your sister now?
Catch her.
Hey, Light. I bet make she just send me the transport where I sent to her now.
Oh, you already sent that transport. There is no way you get that transport back. Rubbish. Somebody gave you an allowance, like you taking chances. You even carry the person's girlfriend. You want to wipe her in our own brother's house.
My guy, I'm going to see the parents of that my girlfriend. You know, the father said whoever will get married to her will be given 50 million naira and a brand new house. So my plan is that as soon as he gives me the money, I'll just run away. I'm already at the gate there. I'll call you back.
I'm Broda.
Good afternoon, Daddy.
Good afternoon.
Daddy, this is the man that wants to marry me, so I brought him to come and see you.
Okay. Welcome.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
She said you want to marry her.
Affirmative.
Yes. Do you love him enough to marry him?
Yes, Daddy, I do.
Very good. Yeah. Young man, what's your name?
My name is Professor by Titus, an academic juggernaut, erudite egghead, and a long-headed apparatchik in this whole cosmopolitan metropolis.
Oh, my friend, this. I don't have time for all this.
Mommy now.
Big grammar.
Okay.
Go straight to the point. Do you love her enough to take her as your lawful wedded wife?
Sir. After some Brobdingnagian, Pantagruelian, and megalithic introspective and ruminative cogitation directly from my hypothalamus, hippocampus, and medulla oblongata, I've come to deduce that I love her and I want to amalgamate and co-join with her in a marital bond that is devoid of gridlock, pandemonium, and cantankerous hukum.
Okay, very good. Very, very good. She's my daughter. She's about my fourth daughter. All her seniors have gotten married. The 3 other ones have gotten married. And my tradition is that any of my daughter that is getting married, I will settle her. I'll give the husband the money to take care of her. You understand? I'll give them, a house. Okay. I'll give the man now to take care of. Maybe 50 million naira for them to start lying. Jesus. You understand? And a car, so that they won't have to start bothering about movement. You understand? I'm sure you don't know about it, but I have to make it clear to you from the onset.
What? Sir, it's not like I'm here for the money. I love her genuinely, so the money is just an addendum. I'm not here for the money.
So now, that's why I want to let you know. So now that you know what comes with the package. You understand?
There's no way I can say no.
Okay. But there's one string attached. You have to show me, have to prove to me that you love her.
Anything, I'll do anything for you.
You understand? I will do so by bringing a witness.
You don't know.
You understand? Who will bear witness when the going gets rough that you are here to marry my daughter and genuinely love her. You want that?
As a barrister, witnesses are vital. That's not an issue.
Very important.
That is not a problem.
It's
okay.
Okay. Aqua White, who is there? Call me Aquacha. Okay.
Yeah.
Jesus. Aquacha. Good.
You think it's easy? I'll give you out of 50 million.
Okay.
Let's see, doctor.
You want to marry my baby, my girl, my daughter. So I want you to bear witness that you understand. This is what he said on that day. So over to you.
It's a pity.
Young man, blood of Jesus. If you are here for love, place your hand on this oracle, and nothing will happen to you. Okay. But if you are here for money, you will be converted to a miraj.
I don't wear my cap well. I know they do it.
The thing is that, I said, let me come and test. Okay. This is just a preamble, a prerequisite, a test run of the whole thing. It's not like I'm ready to get married to her now. This is more like a prank. I said, let me come and check the situation, if it's conducive. And so later, when I'm ready, I'll come. When I'm ready, the oracle is not enough. I can always swear at any time. Thank you very much. Let me even pass here.
Young man, stop there.
But I thought you said you loved me.
Yes, I do. But when I'm ready, I'll come back for the marriage. It's okay.
Young man, if you refuse to swear, you'll be turned to a cooked egg. Jesus. And I'll eat you here.
Gaga to one gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
You must marry her by force. Photographer,
like, now me come, you know, they want to come outside now. I swear to God, now I just come outside. I swear. I know they lie you now. I swear to God, I just come outside now. I beg. See, my laptop day inside now. My camera day inside. I swear to God, see this picture where they see. Now me snap them. Now me snap the video and choma this morning now. Now because of my tag and my camera day inside now. I think this now. I beg. No. Now much about that. Bro.
What, man?
He's red. Somewhere photographer. They don't share food though. Okay, let me call that post. Somewhere.
Rukky on this one. Hey.
Babe.
This one Rukky waka call.
Babe, I know they come out. Okay. I'll drop my ATM here. If you do finish here, just withdraw 25k. Now be the only money where they account. Make you take package food where we eat.
What about my hair money now?
Babe, I tell you now that your hair now, you go wait till more time now. I beg, wait till more time, I beg. It's the more things now. I know that money not there now. Now let the 25k where they the account now. Just make you withdraw, take cook so now.
You'll be talking small till bust.
I beg, wait till more time, I beg. Beg. Sure, be say you go do your hair now. Use the money take cook. Sure, be say make you do your hair now. I don't think you say you go wait till month end now.
Sure. They come, eh?
2 hours later, let's go, guys. The wedding got home.
What's up, my baby?
Welcome.
How you doing?
Yeah, one old boss. This one Rukky Funny. Not talking to anybody. Why did you go straight to pot? No food. Today will be a very hot day. After spending a long time trekking to his home, let's sit down.
You don't cook the food again.
But I tell you that I will use money to me. I will not tell you.
You use money where you supposed to take cook till do your hair. Eh? Wait till we go shop now.
You will give me another money now.
I go give you another money. Give another money where you put from my pocket so I won't give you.
I tell you before you come out, I will use money to me. I be there, you not like.
When you tell me before I come on, wait till I tell you. I'm not telling you, you wait till Motell. You come back the food money till do your hair. Eh? So today now you and I will go chop.
You will give me another money, I will do.
Where do you another money come from now?
I bet your ATM there on top fridge there.
Why this answer they come so now food now won't go chop and they go there, you not cook anything.
When you not give me money for food, I want to cook.
Well, I want to cook abi? So you use the money to do abi?
Stop where they cost, I don't understand.
And they talk to you, you come out. No wahala. Now all of us, now you hungry go big for this house.
Hunger. We can't wicked woman be that. That is wickedness now. Another 2 hours though. The only one we finish Rukky life. What kind of a girlfriend or wife is this? Where's she going to? I hope she's not going to eat.
I beg you, man, you want back my hand.
Get look.
I beg, give me money, man, I take go cook. I wake up, give me money, man, I take go cook now.
I never give you money, man, you take cook before.
But I tell you that you do my hair.
That will concern you now. You cut your hair, man, you chop now. Sure?
What did they do so?
I give you money, man, you take cook. Now you tie the money, now you go use and take do your hair. Then you go cut your hair, put for plate, chop now.
Then they chop hair. Eh?
So you know that before you use the money to go do your hair.
But I know you don't know when I tell you about this, Abi.
When you tell me about it, wait till I tell you, I say wait till month end. Then you go wait till month end. You carry the money, you go use and take do your hair. Now you can't know. You know it's your belly to do hair. Now
wait till month end.
You chop
wait till month end. I dey tell you about this hair for a very long time now. Since 2 weeks ago now, I tell you about this hair. They tell me to make a cut my hair perfect. I beg, give me money, not just provoke me. Give money, to go to cook. Cause my children will soon come back from school.
Why?
Cut my hair. I beg.
If your children come from school,
only Jesus will save you.
Your mommy use your
kind of
food to do
country.
hair, then you go give them the hair, then they chop am. If you really care about those children, you for fair cook first. Reason why the children go
What about my hair?
from school. You can't money why give me take cook for the family. Now you don't take go do hair. If the children come from school now, once they need food, cut your hair, put her for plate, give them water, make them
See,
drink.
that one where you talk na your own. That one where you talk say na your own. You dey tell me I cut my hair, give my children make they eat, abi? This hair now they tell you since 2 weeks ago, they tell say I want my. They say make I wait. You finally give me money now. They say why I no use that take cook. Why you don't tell me I use that take cook? Why my hair dey grand? That's why give me with weaving. See, give me money now take go cook.
Happiness, I beg, my 2 knee dey ground. I got now to the beg you. Not let neighbor hear my voice. The way I tell you so, not let neighbor.
Why is he kneeling down?
I don't give you money, then you take cook, as every man go do. You carry the money to go do your hair, allow me sleep. There they come from so, I tell you, wait. I beg. Not let neighbors hear my voice. Now be party I do some marriage. I beg.
He's too angry.
That way they talk say na your own.
And this girl should let him be now.
You dey hear me so?
She can't ching dumb wahala be this.
As I dey say, I no even want your wahala. Don't give me the money, make come for your jejeje. I dey talk to you.
Rukky don't enter.
I give you money this morning, no.
No problem. Na problem you dey find. I dey see how reach like that. Na problem you dey find.
I'm not going to finish because I'm married. Tell me come up from my own
You go
house.
wrong.
Yes, I think so. I'm not going to finish because I'm married. Tell me come up from my own house.
Where you are also you go.
Other people they marry now marry. I'm going to run come up for us all the time because I'm not going to run. I'm my house this one. You not push me come up from my own house.
Give me money.
I get the money to cook. You use the money to go and make your hair. And your business with that. Chop the air.
Speak English.
Allow me, man, sleep. I I can't beg you.
How can you marry because everyone is getting married?
Speak English of money. Bring the money, come outside. You there, they sleep. What kind mumu sleep and don't understand? See, ma tell you. You know why the test must to say, you know what, make nobody yeah your own, yeah my own, yeah. See, just get up, man, give me the money. You know what, get up, Abi? No problem. They come for you. Just wait.
I don't blame you.
Where is she going like? What is she going to do now?
Are you not to sleep past Abi? Are you not to sleep past Abi? Yeah? Yes. Yes. You don't hear me so? I bought that for your body. Since you say you are not going to rest for this, you yourself you not see rest. You don't hear me so?
What kind of a bad thing is this? Pouring water on your husband's
Go pack
face.
your things.
I don't go pack
Trust me, I don't want any blood stain for my hand. Go pack your things.
What did they find? Now you don't see.
This is hilarious.
What did they find? Now you don't see.
Rukky.
Yeah, hello?
What have they done?
Yeah,
to
good
you?
evening, Nilo.
Now come back, Papa. You
I
see,
beg,
Papa, you don't say.
I go calculate everything what I spend for your daughter marriage and I'll send you total. And then I will send you my whole pay, make you do refund, I beg. No, you know, not getting what they talk about. She dare they come.
Who dare they come?
I know they marry again. I won't tire, I don't retire.
You go come, eh? If you know about the things then, make them in peace for you when you walk around.
Pack all and bring it. Let your parents give all my money. I am not getting married again. Before you marry to her, you didn't know that she's like this. You know they marry. You may marry the boy, you don't know say the boy is like this. Now you guys are making things worse for themselves.
You see, babe, I'm sick and tired of talking of the same thing over and over again. What are you hiding in that for? Why don't you want me to check your phone?
Okay, calm down now.
Now what?
We can settle this.
Settle what?
When you are done shouting, you meet me inside.
Jesus. Wetin be this? Jesus.
I tell you. And so, I will break it again. Now, can I have your phone?
My TV.
From today go, now here you want to work. Till you get money, you will take replace my TV.
I swear, you will be here making money to pay for my TV.
Friend, what's up now? How much for a night?
Just 150,000.
Now yearly. Now give you 20k. Come, you the craze. Hey! Now tomatoes you want buy.
I'm pricing a shower. Another man is causing me something before.
Husband and wife. You
Is that
might not
possible?
use your pride.
Joint business.
Congrats. Yes.
Babalao, how can a native doctor call a pastor to come and wed in his shrine? And I didn't even blame the native doctor. I'm blaming the pastor for leading his church to a native doctor's shrine.
I just 50k.
50,000 naira for this clothes. All your thing just cost for you, and that's why I price bra that time. You tell me say bra na 40k. Give me the clothes, make I test and sell. Make I test and
Hey, Biggie, thanks for introducing to that Polina social or Pomo. Since when they boost my social media platform, I can't see customers, they patronize me. They even know say they say all these Instagram logins, Facebook logins, Netflix logins, and Google Voice. Come thanks for that, they do well.
You got something in you know.
I didn't see it. Now the one I will go pay now. Huh? They mad.
Babe, what happened?
Someone stabbed me.
Oh my god, are you okay?
You know what? I try to look okay. Call the ambulance.
Be your password.
Huh?
He put your password.
Babe, you can use your own phone now.
My phone is dead. Give me your password.
Hey! For what?
So call the ambulance.
For who?
You use your phone.
You now.
Use your phone to call. Evil girl.
Yeah, I'm okay now.
I'm okay. Since you don't want to use your phone to call, I'm okay. When you collect this thing, open
Give your password.
You don't have your phone. I'm not opening the. The girl know what she is doing. You don't want to use your phone to call for emergency. You want to use my phone. Must I give you my password? What do you define? You will see. You go see what you define. Sure you know. Sure get. No sense. Let's dive into this one very crazy.
Davido! Oh, man! Hey! Show the video. What's the name again? Mozkoh. Oh, man!
Alaba Obio.
Badges! Obio! Congratulations! What happened? What did you do for you now?
Remember that my road was spoiled for road.
You made me spoil for road.
Sorry.
Oh, man!
Choma like your video.
Choma! Oh, man! Chairman! Number one! Olori Kiti one! Akpata Kiti! Number one! Obio! Tell them, man, calm down.
You know how many Motell you don't Don't take more than take Motell, 8 Motell.
Don't be lie. Obio! May I quit this location? May they not go sit down for my space.
Go pass.
Hey! Number one! My superstar! Those guys take their finger! Number one! My superstar! Money na water! Obio number one!
This is fake Obio inside keke. Now one for Moscow. Akpata Kiti 001. Money na water.
My brother, why?
Well done, no. Where you dey go?
I no go anywhere. I want to sit down here and take small breeze.
Okay.
Now go see. Go inside now.
Where's I go do it now? You get food? We will talk for you.
Which kind of that?
Who be this one?
Remember your brother picking again. Small choma na media abroad.
No talk am again. That small choma. You don't big finish, children.
Na belle dey big.
Begin the small when you dey belle.
Hi, besties. This is my uncle, the poor man.
Begin they put me for film.
And the film na carry us come. As no see where you dey for that obodo Igbo. They say they no see poor people before. In friends then. I say, I get one poor person no. Na smart carry come make come show them.
For this our compound. I don't see poor person now.
Nah, you be the person.
You are not even angry. They came to you for experiment.
You don't finish? Yes, ma'am. Okay, mo call it. Okay, Oga. Where you for see this uncle?
I know thief am. Now from the clutter worldwide I buy am.
Wetin be the clutter?
The clutter na platform we fit buy and sell fairly used items. It is very simple. Those your things you get for instead of you to throw away those your house appliances, just snap picture, upload them, send them message, and then get WhatsApp, message them there, then go buy at a very affordable price. You know say this like where we did. The things where they call old, another person fit see them as new.
So something good can come out of you. Good. I'm impressed.
Yes.
Chama! Oh yeah.
They don't even give me anything.
Limau.
Are you an insider? I am an outsider.
What on top? You see, you have to believe him because your friend might get here very soon. And that land know we did anything, okay?
Alright, that's true.
I trust you.
Listen, this is reality.
Babe.
What's up?
One Denza.
How are you now? I'm looking good.
I don't know where this guy is getting this guest from.
Whose phone is that?
This is my new phone I got, babe.
You bought a new phone?
Yes, babe, this is my phone.
Oh yeah, pick your call.
No, I don't answer the person's call, babe.
Pick now. Answer your call, take it.
Don't forget to come with your friend Sarah for the threesome. Location Intercontinental Hotel.
Babe. Who is Alaji that you and Bobby are going to meet?
You, what are you
Gabriel.
Jumping! What are you doing with my man?
Obiri. Babe, who's Alaji? Who's Alaji? Jesus Christ.
Is it now you want to be quarreling when I've already caught you guys cheating? Give him a dirty slap, very nice for him. Nonsense. Instead for you to be talking how she get to this. How did she got here? You are saying who is Alaji.
Babe. Babe. Get me a glass of water, please.
Okay.
Hmm.
I've been waiting to ask you this question.
What's that? Go on now, go on.
Between me and that my friend I introduced you to, who do you like her body most?
What is the meaning of this?
You, of course, now.
You doing right?
I like your body the most now. What are you saying?
Okay. But babe, what took you so long before you answered the question?
Oh, Benny.
Huh?
Are you whining yourself?
I knew it. I knew you are cheating on me because of her big breast, her bum bum. You are cheating on me, right? No what? No what? What do you want to say? What?
Babe, I like
You
your
are cheating on me.
It's not so.
Calm down now.
I like my girl slim. Come on. I like your body the way it is now. Why you saying like this?
Okay.
Big things ni mo like.
Okay. Take.
No.
Take. Drink it.
Drink water, nothing dey.
Drink it.
Attention, bring you the water. Man, once you are done batting, be afraid to eat your girlfriend's food.
20K.
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
Thank you.
It's okay. Have a good day.
Sir, I really want to thank you. I see what you're doing for beggars in this community. Baba God will bless you.
Oh, thank you. It's something I find joy doing. You know, I like helping beggars, I like seeing them happy.
Sir, God will bless you, sir.
It's okay. Have
Yes,
a
sir.
good day. Sorry, excuse me. Do you by chance know where I can get more beggars?
Where you can get more beggars?
Do you have an idea?
There are many places. There are plenty. Just nothing.
Okay. Are you sure we can get beggars here?
For airports? Now here the many pass now. Come.
Chairman, episode done now.
I'm not crazy to this guy. Before he brought this guy to an airport to help beggars, that means they have begged him so much. Yeah, he has marked that airport beggars people there.
What's going on here?
What happened? Mommy, don't want for that side because I call her bully. You beats me. Beat you for this, Bini. He does set. Come on with the go.
You are going without nothing. What are you using to fight the person?
For here?
What are you going
Who
to use
take
to
this
fight
out?
the person?
Who beat my pikin for here? For this, Bini. You gonna say I be lying?
You want to use rapper to beat the person?
Where the person they were beat my pikin? I said who take this out? Come outside. For this, Bini. You gonna know what I be? I said come outside today. Come. Come for there.
Na Sojama beat you.
Hey, mommy, na be that. Go beat him.
Na Sojama beat you. Now you go call me. You won't kill me. I don't kill Pikin no go kill me.
Na woman beat me now. They come call you.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Oh,
what were you expecting
before I deal with
before?
you today, you go call your mother for me, Abi?
Who be mama? Me? I be stepmother.
Oh, today I go step down the beating for una too. Come here.
Bro, no.
Jesus.
Ah, eskelebele, ti o lebele. Ah, mommy.
Who be your mommy? If you see your mama, you no go know her.
Ah,
Your mother even run more than you. Your mother can run than you, and the woman is old. She can even run than you. You were running and you fell when you guys were running. An advanced guy like you deserve beating. Thank you guys for watching this episode. It's very hilarious, and I believe you enjoyed this one. Please subscribe as usual, and don't forget to turn on post notification bell when you subscribe, and also like this video and share it to all your social media platforms. It is better you do these things because whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get alert. Yes, YouTube will notify you first, and just have to watch the video. So, but if you don't subscribe, YouTube will there is no way YouTube is going to notify you first. Okay. All right, guys. I'm not going to waste any of your time much on this comedy compilation. We're going to call it a day, and I'm going to see you on next episode. And expect more banger from our next episode. All right, guys. Have a wonderful time, and see you till our next episode. Bye.